1. Pull a nail out with your fingers or pliers, don't use a hammer. Rotate the nail to loosen it, then pull it straight out. This will leave a small hole which can easily be repaired. Don't use a hammer to pry out the nail out unless necessary because the hammer's claw will leave large marks in the wall. If you use a hammer, hold a wide piece of wood or a book between its claw and the wall. 2. Fill the hole deeply with spackle or joint compound using a 1-inch putty knife. Overfill it slightly, leaving a small mound. When this dries, it will be sanded down. Use latex spackling compound for the best finish for nail holes. You can find spackle at your local hardware store or online. 3. Let the spackle or joint compound dry. The time required depends on the brand. Warm or humid areas require a longer drying time. 4. Sand it with a sanding sponge to create a smooth surface. Wipe away any dust with a damp paper towel. 5. Paint the hole with the same paint color as the wall. It may not match well, so paint only the spot you have plastered so a slight difference in color will be barely noticeable. A 1-inch wide foam paint brush will paint a small spot. You can bring paint chips of the wall paint to a hardware store to find a matching paint color, but it probably will not be a perfect match.